Recording in progress.
Yes, good evening, everyone. So, the last one, model inheritance is completed. Now, last topic is deployment. What is the meaning of this deployment concept? Deployment means, what is the meaning of deployment? The process of moving an application to the live or production is called as a deployment process. For example, once we implemented application, we are implemented applications and everything. After that, we are moving to the live. Suppose if you open the google.co.in, it is a live application or a production environment. That is called as a deployment. Whatever application we are implemented, we have to move that application to the live or production is called as a deployment. To deploy the application, there are different options are available there. There are several deployment options are available for django web applications. These options will be based on, the first one is scalability. What is the meaning of scalability? What is the scalability? Performance, price, security, easy to use. Based on that, we can decide it. First of all, what is the meaning of scalability? Scalability means, sir, I uploaded my application. I'm given application. Web application means there is one web server is there. Client will be communicated to the server and getting the data. In the first class, starting class, demo class, we discussed about web application. Web application means my all services will be hosted into one web server. Client can be accessed by using that. So it is my web server. Client will send request to the server and server will send response to the client. For example, I'm getting the 10 requests. Okay, I processed successfully. I'm getting 100 requests. Okay, processing successfully. I'm getting request at a time. 1 crore request came suddenly. What is my server situation? Is it giving the response or not? Scalability means suddenly more number of users will come and accessing the resources. Now my server is responding or not responding. Simple example. Suppose tomorrow morning 9 o'clock, MSET exams results will be released. Exactly 9 o'clock, how many students are there? Everyone accessing server or not? Sometimes page not open. Sometimes it is hacking, slowly coming. Suppose you need to go to the home, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, you can open IICT's application. It will give very fast response. Tatkal time is there, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. At that time, you can open. Actually, it won't open, rotating only. The problem is 10 request came, my server handled, 100 came handled. Suddenly, 9 o'clock, 100 to 1 crore request came suddenly. That is called as scalability. Whenever load increases, how system is responding. Sir, here 50 members are there. Suppose one person is asking question, I will respond. Two members asking, I will respond. All 50 members at a time, you can ask question. No. First of all, I'm not getting your question. Then how can I respond it? No chance. So that is called as scalability. If the number of requests increases, my server is handled or not handled. That is called as scalability. What is the next one? Performance. Performance means system response. How the application working. So just I'm telling now, whenever load increases, automatically performance will be decreases. So how to maintain that performance? Whatever load you can increase, I want to give exact response immediately. Suppose Google is there. Google now this time how many members using? So many members, Gmail, Facebook. But is it giving fast response or not? So how much time I'm getting response? That is also depends upon performance. Next, price. Price means suppose my application is there. I want to host it into some servers like Heroku, DigitalOcean, Amazon, AWS, different. We have to pay the some money. For example, GoDaddy is there. I'm developing an website. I want to host it in the GoDaddy. Compulsory, they have to pay the money. Some 500 or 300 or 600 something money will be there. That is called as price. If you want to deploy any application, how much they are charging? Is it reasonable or not? That is called as a price. Security. How much security they can provide it for my application? Easy to use. The end user can easy to accessing my application or not. Based on these options, I can go to the select the deployment server. But where can I deploy this? Whatever the deployment servers are there, wherever deployment options are there. Anyone having idea? Different deployment options. First one, Python anywhere.com. You can type this one. Go to here. Here I will upload it. Python anywhere.com. This is the one website I'm using this one. Here I will upload my project. It is the free, no cost. That's why I'm using this one. 3 months, whatever site I uploaded, it is available there. After 3 months, they will be deleted. So our it is not serious application. Just our application now. CBV, something one project I uploaded here. I will use that URL. You can open your phone. My application will be opened. So this is the first one, simple and easy to freeware. That's why I'm using some remaining charges. We have to pay the money. That's why it is the freeware. This one I'm using. Simple and easy to use. So many are there. Next, digital version, VPS, virtual private server. Another one is also there. What it is? Heroku. That is also one deployment server. Here also we can use it. This one, Amazon cloud like that. So many are there. Suppose I want to deploy into the Heroku. Simple. There are clear documentation. There step by step you can follow. Automatically you will get it. For example, Google. How to deploy how to deploy to the everything will be available there. Videos, documentation they can provide it there. One by one steps they will provide it. Just you have to follow it. Git commands. After that, we have to go to the GitHub. Then we have to go to the application documentation. Everything will be there. Sir, now everyone having some doubt is what is the Git and what is the GitHub? This one having doubt, everyone. GitLab, Bitbucket, Git की GitHub की difference. Who are working employees are there, they will have some idea online. Git, GitHub, both are same or any difference is there? System repository. Sir, first of all, I will tell 3 terminologies I will introduce. That is, if I want to deploy any project, these 3 are mandatory. First one is version control system. This is the first word. What it is, version control system. Second one, whatever he is telling, remote hosting server is required. Finally, we can go with a deployment platform. These three are the three important words. One is version control system. Second one is remote hosting server. Third one is deployment platform. So first we need to talk about version control system. What is the need of this version control system, sir? Version control means, sir, now today I can implemented one project. I want to give the application to the client. One application is ready. This is application one. I'm hand over to the client. I'm given to the client. Once it is completed, once I'm given to the client, client is checking all this, and he is telling some changes. You can change something text box, something colors, some button, some extra thing, something, some one, two, three, four changes he is telling. Okay, done. I completed changes and I'm hand over the modified version. I hand over the modified version I am given to the client. Meanwhile, what I did is I hand over this one modified version. Now, what I was doing is old one is not there. New one, existing one already overridden, code and everything I'm given to the client. Client is checking that one. Sorry, can you please show me the previous version? 2 days back you were given one version. Can you please show me that? Alright, it is not there. Because I'm overriding that one and given the modified one, that is I'm given. Now my client is asking old version. Can you show me that one? We will check it both. It is not there. Then what to do? So that's why you need to go to what is the name? Version control system. And within the same project, 5 versions are there. First version, you have to make that one a separate copy. Whatever new changes are there, make it as a version 2, version 3, version 4. If client is asking, can you show me the first application? Yes, I will show. Can you show me the third one? I will show. Fourth one, fifth one. To maintain single project, multiple versions, then we need to go for which one? Version control system. That version control system is nothing but a Git, SVN. Okay, VSS. In olden days, VSS is there. Visual source, something is there. Okay, those are all called as a version control system. Within the single project, same project, multiple versions. If I want to maintain, compulsory we can go to this version control system to maintain multiple versions of the same project, because at any point of time we can have backup of previous versions. Then I need to go to this version control system. And one more thing, we can see the difference between two or more versions in our code base. We can run multiple versions of the same project simultaneously. It very helps to track the history over and collaborate easily with the. So they're all the help for first we have to maintain version control system. So whatever version control systems are there. ఇదిగోండి something here it is there. It's not closed. ఇంకోండి ఎక్కడ గిట్ గిట్లబ్ గిట్ హబ్ కాదు. ఇట్స్ నాట్ వర్షన్ కంట్రోల్. ఇదిగోండి దిస్ వన్, ఇంకోండి దిస్ వన్ సిఎస్వి. ఇవి లేవే వచ్చినాయి. ఇవి కరెక్ట్. ఇందులో గిట్హబ్ లేదు. ఓకే, టాప్ మోస్ట్ 15 దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ ద గిట్, సివిఎస్, ఎస్విఎన్, మెర్క్యూరియల్ అంట, మొనోటనీ, బజార్, టిఎఫ్ఎస్, విఎఫ్ఎస్. దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ ద version control system. So that is the first one, git. Git is a version control system which can maintain and track the different versions. That is the first one. But what about the GitHub? GitHub is also one tool is there. Git versus GitHub. Git, now I am telling version control system. Multiple versions if I want to maintain, then we need to go to the this one. What is the meaning of that GitHub? Just now I'm telling the 3 words. What is the second word? Remote hosting server. Ante, sir, first of all, asal my application is available into my machine. That is called as what we can call it is a local repository. Ante within the local system it is available there. Here I can install Git, I can maintain different version, everything story I will tell. From GitHub, if you want to go to the deployment, something is required that is called as what it is, remote repository. This remote repository is nothing but what it is, GitHub. So many are there. Just now I'm given some names. GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, they're all the remote repositories. So in the local system, if I want to maintain different versions, then called as a Git version control system. By using GitHub, it is also maintain different versions in the remote repository. From there to we have to go to the third one. What it is? Deployment platform. This is the last one. Whatever deployment platforms are there, just I am telling na Python, anywhere.com, Amazon Cloud, GoDaddy, ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఏంటివి deployment platforms. అంటే first your project you have to go with Git to the GitHub central repository. From there only it is possible to go to the deployment. Once it is go to the live, now end user can access my application. This is the process actually. That is the 3 terms: version control system, remote repository, deployment platform. Now I will tell Git how to install Git, how to maintain different version. From the Git to GitHub. In GitHub, we have to create one account. First, I want to send local repository to remote repository. From there to we go with deployment. Then project is available to every person. Client in a position to access our application. That is the GitHub story. Git and GitHub. Git is a version control system that helps to track changes in our code. Any changes you are doing, everything will be tracked by that one. GitHub is a remote hosting platform to host our files remotely. Without GitHub, it is not possible to install to the deployment platform. Compulsory first you have to go to GitHub. From there only you have to post it to deployment. GitHub is to host our remote code repository. ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి రిమోట్ హోస్టింగ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్. Remote hosting platforms are first one, very famous one, GitHub, sir. Next, Bitbucket. Next, GitLab. Because there are so many are available there. These are all the remote hosting platform. Whenever our application at a remote hosting platform, then deployment on various platforms will become very easy. Whatever deployment platforms are there, deployment platforms, those are where we have to deploy our application. That is called as deployment platform. First one, pythonanywhere.com. Second one, just now I'm given now, Digital Ocean. Third one, Heroku. Fourth one, Amazon Cloud. So that is the three words. First version control system, that is the GitHub. Next, remote hosting system, GitHub. Deployment platform, these are there. So compulsory, if you want to deployment application, these three are mandatory words. First Git, after that GitHub, after that deployment server. Now, go to a small example, how to go to this version control system versus remote hosting platform versus deployment platforms. This is the major thing, final thing. What is version control? What is remote hosting? What is the deployment platform? First of all, you have to install Git. Install the Git. How to install Git, sir? Go to this. Go to the Google Git installation. The site is this one. Copy, paste. git-sem.com downloads. Once it is available there, you can download it. I'm going to click on this one, download it. Sir, Git is a somewhere they are telling download. Latest source release 2.42 release notes download Windows. GUI tool Git K. There are third-party tools for user platform. Bitmap using online. So that one you have to download. It is a source code management software. Sir, once you download it, the downloads already downloaded. So like this one icon will come. 2.4.1. What is the latest one? 42. Okay. Whenever I downloaded, this is the version, sir. Git 2.40 available there. After that, once it is exe file, you can double click. Next, install it. Once it is installed in the desktop, one icon will be created there like git bash. Open this git bash. Open it. Just like if you know Linux, like Linux commands, how it is working now, same here also. We can use not complete Linux, but 90% Linux commands type, it is available there. This mana git bash. First of all, you have to create one folder in Mahesh classes or D drive. Mahesh class is not required, D drive. D drive, my working directory. Oh, ఇది ఆల్రెడీ ఉందనుకుంటా అయితే ఓకే సరే create one folder, sir. Go to here, new folder. My CWD, current working directory. Okay. Open it. Opened. So take one normal file, text file only. Normal text. Now here, line 1. This is having only one line. Save. Where you have to save? Just now this PC, D drive. My current working directory is there now. Later I will tell project. This is one sample text file. ABC dot. What is the extension? Text. Save this. Go to current working directory. Idukondi. abc.txt is available there. Here only one line of the code is there. Okay, fine. Now save. Come to here, sir. The first command, if I want to go to the ls, until list will be displayed. Present it is available somewhere else. You need to go to the D drive. CD. Oh, direct galdan konte ikkada. Yeah, D drive, CD, my CWD, my current working directory. Ask ls. ls means list of the files whatever there. So which file is available? Only ABC is available. Once it is available ABC, I want to ask git status. What is the git status? In this, not git repository or any of the parent directories invalid. Git status is not there because if you want to search that ABC, what is happening? It means present my git is not tracking your file. ABC is available, but it is not tracking. When it will be tracking means first you have to initialize. Sir, chunjatga in folder only one file is there. Once I initialize, it is created one .git folder. Then this file can be observed by my version control system. How to give that one? Git. What is the command? Init. Now yes, we're going to git is initialized. .git created. Go to there and check it, sir. Check it. Created. And now the file is under git control. Now git is watching that one. Now I want to go. What I was doing is, now you can ask git what it is status. ABC, nothing committed files, no changes are available there. Sir, now if you want to do any changes, anything compulsory, you have to add this file to the git. How to add? Git add What is the file name? abc.txt. Or my file contains so many are there. Simple git add dot. Then automatically all will be added there. Now you can ask git status. Only new file abc is there. No changes, nothing. What they are telling? Unstage. And from the local repository to once I'm given add, it is added to the staging area. And present my file is available local repo. Local repository, it is available there. From local repository to, I want to do the remote repository changes. Then in middle, there is one area is there. That area is nothing but staging area. What it is? Staging. So first you have to add your file to the this one. After you can do any changes, permanent it will be changes to the remote repository. How to add this staging area? By using add command. What is the command I'm using? Sorry. Add. Now it will be added there, sir. Now, first of all, what I was doing is here, sir, I want to add one more line. Line 2. This is the second line. Just I'm adding something. Second line. Save this. Saved it. Now you can check it. What is the git status? Something will be changes in working directory. Okay. But how to save that one? But it is not saved permanently to the git. Here some command is there. What is the command? Git commit. Yes. Commit hyphen m. Yes. First changes. Yeah. First commit by Mahesh. Message your wish. Now, yes, one file changed, create mode, the number will be created there, abc.txt. Now, you can ask about the git status. Yes, it will be added there. After that, if I want to change again second one, now open the file. Open the file. Again, I added third line. Save this. Come to here. Come here. What to do? Now second commit. Yes, give the second commit by Mahesh. Yes, second will be also modified there. I can ask whatever changes you had. Git log. First commit by Mahesh. Second commit not added. Not added. Git add dot. Now added. Second commit. Yes. Now log. Two changes. First change done by 8 to 12. First one done by 8 to 10. Second one 8 to 12. These are all the comments are there. Simple. First we have to add the current. So now I am giving abc.txt file. Instead of that, you have to add Mahesh Jobs project. Add that project. Any commits are there, you can change it, commit. From here to next, I want to go to that one. So now, whatever steps we performed here, what is the command? ls git status. After that, git init. First related to git repository. First step, I created one folder. Create a directory named with my CWD, my current working directory. It is our current working directory, sir. Next, we required a local repository to track our files. For this, we have to use which command I'm using? Git init command. This command will create a folder named with, what is the folder name? Dot git, which acts as a local repository. What is the third activity? By default, that git won't track any files. When it will be tracking, we have to add the files to the staging area. Such files only can be tracked by the Git. For that, what to do? Yes, we can add the files to the staging area by using two ways are there, sir. Git add abc.txt or else git add dot means all the files present in current working directory. That is the after that next we have to commit the changes in the files present in staging area. Then files changes will be moved to local repository. For that, what is the command? Git commit -m any message. First commit by Mahesh I am given. Next term. Finally, we can find our status of the files by using git status. Last command, one more. We can find all commits related to our local repo. How? Git log. If you just now I'm using commands. So whatever commands are there, first git init, next git add dot, next one git commit -m comma many message. After that git status, next git log. That is the story. These are all the commands we are using, sir. So first initialization, I'm adding the file, this one. Now I want to go to the which one? GitHub. Because this file I can move from here to the GitHub server. Now here, open github.com. This one. ఏంటిదిలో వచ్చింది www.github Oh, sir, here first you have to create an account. One IP address, one only it will be allowed. Okay. So enter your email ID. Running email ID you can give. Create one account. Already I have account is there. I will sign into that one. My account is whenever I'm in Durga shop, I created one account. Online ఇదే అనుకుంటా పాస్వర్డ్ @6 అబ్బో ఇప్పుడు ఆ మెయిల్కి వెళ్ళింది అనుకోండి పాస్వర్డ్ మళ్ళీ ఇచ్చాడు ట్విస్టెడ్ ఏంటి మెయిల్ ఐడి దుర్గా ఉందా దుర్గా సాఫ్ట్ ఆన్లైన్ 1240 @. ఏంటి వాళ్ళు ఏదో అడుగుతుంది ఇది నాట్ నౌ ఇవన్నీ అక్కడ నెంబర్లు ఉన్నాయి వాట్ ఈస్ ద కోడ్ 88 ఓకే కాపీ #8830 అమ్మా కేమ్ సరే ఇవన్నీ ప్రీవియస్ బ్యాచెస్ ఐ డిడ్ డిప్లాయ్మెంట్స్ నైస్ django previous batches django projects uploaded na those one you got the jobs repository those things I can upload it there ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ then old how to delete old one I will delete all these anywhere delete is there ఇది our first project you can first project first app our created now we created first app is going to views models views.py this is the code. Hello students, welcome to my django classes. Those I uploaded one project. How it is uploading, I will show. First, I want to delete all these. Where is the deleted? Could I anywhere delete button is there? Huh? Is it this one? This one below. Oh, okay. Okay. Deleted. This one. It is not copied. This one. Oh, this one. ఎంత సెట్టింగ్ ఉంది దీనికి గాన్ సరే ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఐ విల్ డిలీట్ దీస్ ఆల్ దీస్ 1 minute gone gone. Django repository 2 and delete all these. So now all are deleted there. Sir, here in the Git, what is the file available? abc.txt is available there. Sir, I don't want to use this abc.txt. I want to go with what it is, one project, one small project. I will add to here. Now come to this, my current working directory, I deleted. Now take a new folder, my CWD. In this, come to our project, first August, first project I'm uploading. Copy this, copy, paste into my current working directory, paste it. Available there. First, this one I can add it to the Git, from there to GitHub, after GitHub to python.com. Next, here only one views.py file is there, but I will take one application which is contain static files, database, populate.py. Total data I want to upload to the project. That process also I will tell. First, how to add this one. Sir, come to here. Sir, here, control L anukunta. Yeah. Now ls. Sir, what is available? First project is available there. First I have to use which command? Git init. Initialization will be done. After that, git add of dot, because in first project so many are there. I added all. Once I added, what to do? Git status. All are available there. Status came. After that, there is no changes. Now, what I was doing, git commit hyphen m. First commit by Mahesh. Yes, done. After that, if I want to ask, git log, otherwise not required. Only one is there. Okay, done. Git is available there. Sir, from here to, I want to upload it to where? GitHub. In GitHub, one directory is there, jobs. Go to the main home page. Sir, here, one repository is there, Mahesh DJ123 jobs repo. I want to create one new repository. Yes, Mahesh DJ123 repository name django repo and pettanu. Django repo is available there. So your main owner is Mahesh DJ123. It's a public. Private means again you have to give some create repository. So now repository was created there. So what is the your address, repository address? https git mahesh DJ123 django. Copy this one. Copy the. Now here I want to push an existing repository from the command line. How to do this means, what is the command? Git remote add origin this address. Now copy this command, sir. Copy this, come to GitHub, paste it. Copy paste avudenti. Right click. Okay, paste. So this is the command. Enter. Yes, created there. Now, once it is added, what is the next command? Git branch hyphen m main. For example, that these are all available here only. Idigondi. You can read these commands. Just I'm using na 5 commands. Init, idigondi, commit, branch m main. After that, you origin main. These two commands. First one, this is the command I executed. Second one, this is the command. It is not my own commands. Their commands only copy. Come to the git, paste, right click, paste. Yes. What is the third command? Get. ఇదిగోండి I will give that commands also. Main అయిపోయింది. Next command get push u origin main. This is the third one. Now right click, paste it, enter. Branch main setup tracking done. Now you have to check it, sir. Previously in the GitHub it is empty. Now in django repo you can check it. My first project came, not came. Came and git to GitHub successfully. From GitHub to deployment. Deployment you have to go to pythonanywhere.com. Create one account. From here to there some settings are available. That is the way. GitHub. Sir, first app. Inside first app, views.py. Inside views.py, what is the command available there? Django is very easy. First time feeling difficult, but it is very easy available there. Only one line is there. Okay, na? Observe carefully now. This django repo. Okay, fine. Come to your local system. This is local repository or not? Open first project. Open first app. Inside open views.py. I want to add one more statement. That is print hello. Hello. Save. So I am saving into local repository. How is it affected to the GitHub? If I open this GitHub, if I open this one, is it affected? No. What to do first? Yes, in the git, go to the git first of all. Here, what is the commands? Git add dot added. After that, git commit hyphen m. Second commit by Mahesh. Committed. After that, push and మళ్ళీ 3 commands. Whatever those 3 commands. ఇవే కదా first. Every time. You are asking directly, you can branch m main. Yeah, again compulsory you have to go to this one. Okay, check this, paste it. Already existing game. Okay, direct we can go. Added. Now go to there, refresh your this one first app inside views.py. Added like that. In the local repository, whatever changes are there, it will be added into the here. So ikkada we have to go with next level. Next I will tell python anywhere.com. Here login credentials Mahesh project కాదు Durga 124@gmail.com password. The username password is incorrect. Please try again. Durgasoft online 1240.com. Correct కదా? @ ఓ సరే, ఈ మహేష్ జాబ్ చూద్దాం. ఇది ఏదోటి ఎనీథింగ్ సమ్ యూజర్ ఐడి పాస్వర్డ్ ఈస్ ఎనఫ్. ఓకే, సో హియర్ ఎనీ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఈస్ దర్ ఆల్రెడీ. మహేష్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి, 5 months, 12 $12 per month, 99. మనకి అన్నీ ఏవద్దు, ఫ్రీ ఫ్రీ. యూ హ్యావ్ టు అప్లోడ్ ఫ్రీ. డాష్ బోర్డ్, డాష్ బోర్డ్. సరే, ఏదో సైట్ ఉంది ఆల్రెడీ. సరే, ఇదిగోండి కన్సోల్స్. ఓకే, హియర్ ఐ విల్ టెల్ హౌ టు డూ. bash delete these old ones. If you want to upload static files, by using this static files you can upload. Web tab, how to display web application. Reload, then it will coming there. Any tasks are there. Database you want to upload, these things I will tell. Any console is there? No consoles. Okay, fine. Oh, ikkada some commands are there here also. It is creating virtual environment. చాలా కమాండ్స్ ఉంటాయి. This process tomorrow I will tell this one. It's created already. Created. Bash console, delete it. Then the GitHub. ఇదేంటిది సేమ్. సరే, వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఆస్కింగ్? ఫిబొనాకీ నెంబర్స్ కదా. ఫిబొనాకీ నెంబర్స్, పైథాన్ క్లాసెస్ test.py. Sir, evening class 5:30 explain this program. What it is? Multi-threading. What is the concept? In multi-threading, what is the meaning of event? What is the purpose of event? Here, how many threads are there? 2. T1, T2. One is traffic police. ఇది కూడా అంటే ఒక ఫంక్షనే కదా అది. Second one is driver, another function. What is the purpose of event? What it will do? Global variable. One more. What is global variable? Sir, I am running program, then you can check it. Driver is waiting for green signal. Even the traffic police given the green signal. Vehicle, five vehicles are passing. Immediately, traffic police is given the red signal. Driver have to wait. Driver waiting for green signal again. Ante two threads are there. Traffic police and driver. How these both are communicating? That concept is called as inter-thread communication. How the threads are speaking. Suppose you and me, we are speaking. How we can speak either Telugu or Hindi, English language is there. But there are two threads are there. Check the program here. Two threads are available, not available. This thing already you know. But how these two threads are communicating, how to provide communication between. Now check it. Policeman driving, both are communicating. And we need to go to the traffic. Whenever signals is there, suddenly we need to stop. How we can stop? Any policeman is telling, no, by seeing the signals, we need to stop. That is the communication. Same here also how to provide by using the event class. Event is a one predefined class to provide communication. So inter-thread communication, three ways are there. Event, condition, queue. Do you know lock, or lock, semaphore in multi-threading? Lock, or lock, semaphore. As you know multi-threading, at the time of multi-threading, this program will continue, it will be. At the time of multi-threading, first basic concepts, you know already that one. Next level, synchronization. How to provide synchronization? Lock, or lock, semaphore. Three concepts are there. In semaphore, one more is there. Bounded semaphore is there. After that, now event and Japan kada. That is inter-thread communication. How threads can be communicated? That is called as inter-thread communication. For that, three are there. Event, condition, second one. Do you know queue? Queue concept. Normal, if you know C language, C with DS. Stacks, queues are there. Same only. Stack means one side it is there, last in, first out, LIFO order. Queue means first in, first out. Same like that here also queues concept is there. How C with DS lo concepts are there, linked list, stacks, queues. Same here also queue concept is there. Queue, LIFO queue, priority queue. Three types are there again. Queue, LIFO queue. LIFO spelling small mistakes anukunta. LIFO queue and priority queue. Three types of queues are there. So danike idi concept, how to provide communication between threads only. Background still it is running only. It never ends because I am using which loop? While true. It never ends. Then how to kill the threads? Control break. Then only thread will be killing. Otherwise, keep on, it will continue only. Or else, simply you can close this, open the command prompt. That is the communication problem. ఇప్పుడు మనోడి ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటంటే ఈ వాంట్ టు ఆస్కింగ్ Fibonacci numbers. What is the Fibonacci numbers are? 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, so on. Ivi Fibonacci numbers. How to generate it? Do you know the concept of generators? Generators. How to generate the value? By using yield keyword. Generator is also one normal function only. We are not doing anything. It will generate the how many numbers you can require, those only it will be generated. Yield is the keyword. For that, what I was doing is yes, here. What is the generator? How to yield keyword programs is there. Def is the keyword. I have to take first starting with a comma b equal to 0 comma 1. Then print the x value. I'm using time dot sleep of 1 second. Just your understandable purpose. Now import the module name time. Save. Search on fib is the function. What is the value of a? 0. Value of b? 1. While true means continuous. Yield of a. What is the yield of a means? 0. Then what it is swapping. B value will be goes to the A plus will be saved and goes to the B. Then I'm asking which one? Yield of A. Now D drive classes py test.py is going first 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 continuously it is generating only. But I'm using while true. That's why there is no end. Why it is running very slowly means I'm using line number 10 time dot sleep. If it is not there, control break. If I'm commenting it, now check it. It's running very fast only. That's why I'm using as a one statement I can provide it. But there is no ending. It is keep on running only because of while true. So that's why I can provide one condition. What is the condition means? If x value greater than 100, please break. Then automatically before 100 only it will be generated until 85 or something 89. After that it will be that is the Fibonacci numbers. Break. This is the way. That is the today concept. Tomorrow how to do the deployment platform I will explain. Then it will finish.
Recording stopped.
Okay, online guys. Bye everyone. Tomorrow we will continue. Both are same only, but dot format advanced technology is the F strings. At the time of strings, three types are there. If you want F string, there is so much story will be there. First, percentage formatting introduced in the Python. After that, dot format introduced. Latest one, F string. This is the advanced technology. Very less number of lines we have to write. When compared with both previously, F string is the advanced one. In my Python new features, I'm explaining this one. What is that F string? How to use that one? Very less lines of code we have to write in F string when compared with format. Performance also very improved. Santosh. Where it is there means here in my regular sessions, I'm taking Python new features. Okay. In the latest version, whatever new features are there, this is. Last class we discussed walrus operator, keyword only arguments, positional only arguments. After that, strings, three strings are there. What is the meaning of percentage formatting, str format, and f strings? First, percentage formatting, whatever problems are there, whatever problems here, how we are overcome with that to dot format. Instead of dot format, how the advantages are available there in F strings. Latest one is F string only. One day. Do you know time it module is there? How performance will be improved by using F string and all explain. Net gone.
Recording in progress.
Yeah. That is the F string story. Okay, online guys. Bye everyone.